sounds like with the bearings bad. When I change it, it's gonna sound way different, man. That sounds bad. When you're driving, it's super loud. If I can get it going, man. This is the passenger side, but I think the driver's side messed up too. We're driving down the road and it sounds pretty bad and gets worse and worse, man. But I checked the left side earlier, passenger side. Right now on the driver's side. Now, I wasn't going to show you a check on driver's side, but this one's like super loud, so this one is the really bad one. So that's how we hear when we're driving and the truck starts shaking sometimes. It sounds bad. It sounds like the wheel's gonna fall off and shit, man. So I'll be replacing those tomorrow. Of course, you'll probably be watching the same videos today, but we'll see what happens. Let y'all hear the noise, what it's doing. The reason I'm replacing it. Look at. You hear that? The other side was like super bad. That's all you hear while you're driving. Anyway, let's get back to what we're doing here. So I guess that's all you hear while we're driving. It's bad. So I got the whole bearing. I'm gonna change it all out. This is after I changed the wheel bearing. It's now quiet in here. Used to be real loud, remember, with the other one before I changed the bearings. Alright, man. Freaking sweating like crazy, but I wanted to get this video done for y'all. I appreciate y'all watching my videos. Thanks. Give me a like and subscribe, please.